I'm going to show you what I got in my Ipsy Glam bag. So this month they did a black and white, and from the pictures I've seen, you can color in the, the women on there. So we'll get started. Okay. So the first item I have, this is from Scone, and it's a large eyeshadow brush. Looks like this. They actually have a tattooed eyeliner that is great, especially if you have oily eyelids like me. It doesn't transfer like onto your lids. So this is a great brand. So there's that. Okay, next we have Contour Cosmetics, and I believe this is a lip liner, and this is in Juju. So we'll take a look at that. Okay. So let's see if I can give you guys a nice little swatch. So it's a nice little nude color. So it's nice. It's pretty. It's a good everyday color. Okay. Next we have Winky Lux, and this is a holographic highlighter. And it looks like this. See, looks like that. So that's gonna be fun to try. Okay, next we have two markers, and so I believe this is to color this in, but I really like it the way it is black and white. But if you guys want to color it in or give it to your kids to color it in, that's perfect. Oh, here's the card to create. So this is for this month. And I believe this is my last, wait, is there something else in here? Oh, okay, I have two more items. So this is Sex Kitten. I was gonna say Sex Litter. And this is from Tarte. And is this a mascara? What is this? Oh, eyeliner. Okay. Oh, that's nice and soft. So that's pretty. So we have an eyeliner, and then we have a Glossier, and this is coconutbalm.com. So it's a lip balm. So it looks like this. So yeah, that is everything I got. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, and thank you for watching. I hope you guys all have a wonderful week.